In Mogadishu, an exhibition has opened of models and projects which will be built with Soviet help in the near future. Among the first visitors are members of the Somali government and the Soviet ambassador, Gennady Fomin. This hospital was presented to the Somali people without remuneration. This is what the meat packing plant will be like in the south of the country, where the savanna reaches the ocean. The chief construction engineer, Viktor Kislenko, came here from the Ukraine. At the other end of the country, in Mogadishu, the Minister of Economy, Ibrahim Ford, is laying the cornerstone of the dairy plant. A hospital is being built here on former British territory in Sheikh, and another one like it in the south at Wajid. Not long ago, they knew about hospitals only from hearsay. Work is coming to an end on this building site. The printing equipment has already arrived from the Soviet Union. This is the printing plant. Somali newspapers and journals will be published and printed here. Soviet friends met Somali workers on this building site. Many of them came from the village. It's not easy to make the transition from the mattock to modern technical equipment, but they try to learn. Unfortunately, there are still few professional technical schools in the country. However, specialists from friendly, highly developed countries come to their aid. In spite of the help from abroad, it is insufficient when taking into consideration the rapid rate of industrial development. Somalia is making up for lost time. The youth are taking up professions that yesterday were still unknown. Future sailors. So far, Somalia doesn't have a fleet of any kind, but since the crew is being prepared, that means there will be ships too.